Hello traders, it's your one and only Forex skill coach Tim Legend. I'm super excited having you all here today on this one. Alright, I know I haven't made a video for you guys quite lately just because I've been busy with quite a lot of external activities. Alright, so I actually took this trade last night and I decided to make a video to show you guys how I took the trade, why I took the trade, using this same strategy that I've been giving you guys lately. And I actually gave it a little more touch as having more confirmations on your chart before you take your trades. Like I always tell you guys, that your confluence is your confidence to take the trade, right? So it's what I have here is just like a more confluence for me to take my trades. All right, so if this is your first time on my channel, could you do me a little favor? Smash the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so that you get notified instantly the moment that I release a new video. You want to always be the first person to get notified, right? So hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. All right, now a lot of traders were pleading with me that I should extend the upcoming training so that they can actually make out time to pay for the upcoming training. So this is also to notify those of you who probably ain't yet in my Telegram channel, where I posted letting you guys know that the boom and crash training has been extended to 15th. So if you haven't registered to join the upcoming training, you have got the time to join now. Okay, so you will learn how to trade the market like a robot. So make sure you don't miss this training. If you have missed any of my boom and crash training, this one you don't need to miss it, because this one is gonna be very special. All right, this is me teaching you guys how to trade the market without fear, without emotions, trading like a robot, how to find out the right place where price might likely make a turn from, and you look for your entries around there like a robot. All right, so make sure to sign up and join the trading group as soon as possible. Okay, now you already know this is a strategy that I've been using quite lately to trade the boom and crash. Take note, I use it only for the boom and crash. Okay, I'm more of a price action trader, but whenever I'm just kind of lazy to analyze the markets, I just do the simple things that I do with this strategy. All right, so how does this strategy work? As you all can see, we've got two different indicators here. I've got the moving average here, and I've also got the RSI here, and also the moving average inside the RSI. And already you guys know, if you have watched my previous video, you know how this strategy here works. That is to say, when you have the moving average at oversold, you want to look for buying opportunities, right? And if you have it around this zone, you either want to look for buying opportunities, but if that one doesn't work out, then your next buying opportunity should be at oversold, right? Good. So that's how this particular one works. Now for the one on the main chart, remember I told you guys, you always want to first of all bring out your horizontal line, spotting out your supports, your resistances, and quite a lot of them, right? So I'm going to slant my screen horizontal so that you can see a bigger screen and see how I actually placed this analysis and why I really took the trade. Okay, so let me slant horizontally. Please make sure to smash the like button if you're loving this video, and if you know you always love my content, because it gives me the courage to even do more for you guys. Okay, now here we can see I have the my resistance, I have support right here. Okay, I actually mapped it out right from the things that I saw in the past. Okay, so while waiting for price came over to the side. I wasn't actually around when price was around here, else I would have looked for a nice entry. Okay, so it was during the night that I actually opened my chart about going to bed. I was actually waiting for a setup on VIX 75 so I could give signals to my VIPs, but the setup wasn't met until I woke up this morning, and it has already been met and even got to my entry level and even moved away. And you can imagine how price can be so tricky sometimes. So Price got here when I saw it during the night, and it had already aligned with my confluences, which is one, price at oversold already. Two, price was already at the support level that I have drawn a long time. And three, my moving average was already also at the support. So how do you actually apply the moving average? You want to make sure that you see the moving average also at your resistance. Sometimes price can be faster. In fact, most times, not actually sometimes, most times price can be faster than the moving average, and that is why you don't want to rely on indicators alone. If you want to be a real trader, you've got to learn how to trade using pure price action. All right, but since indicator helps to ease work a little bit, sometimes you want to apply indicators, but don't put all your how do I say it now, you don't want to put all your confidence on indicators, because they lag at times. Sometimes they are late to give you signals. All right, so like I was saying, sometimes price can actually get to your zone and even move out quickly before your indicator can even pick the notes. Okay, now for instance, here we can see my indicator actually got to my support level. What actually made it to get support level? That's because when price got here, price lingered for a long time. All right, so during the era when price was lingering here, the indicator had used it to move and get to the support. So this was actually where I saw the trade during the night when I came in. So looking at it, seeing this confluence here, seeing the indicator confluence 2, and seeing price at support level confluence 3, I just decided, man, I'll place the trade. So I placed my buy position. All right, these actually about 4 positions that I took there. Instantly I placed about 4 different positions there on the lowest lot size. I hope you're getting it, traders. Please make sure to smash the like button if you know you're loving this video. All right, so I placed a trade right there after getting the 3 confluences, and I slept off already. I'm confident about it. All right, only for me to wake up this morning and seeing how price had actually played quite good. If I was actually awake during the night and seen price around here, I would have looked for another entry. All right, because already that's another confluence. All right, you might likely want to ask, how does that give you a confluence? Right, number one, you can see price it's around the 70%, which you guys remember I always told you, if it's around 70% and it's giving you some reactions, you can place a trade and watch out how it goes. All right, and on the other hand, it's also at resistance. Okay, now on the other hand, we can see what the moving average did. It was close to it, but it didn't touch it. That is why I told you sometimes price can be faster. Now if price had come and was ranging around here for a long time, the indicator would have gotten to the line, but because it was a sharp move, the moment it got there, it came down instantly. The moment it got there, it came down instantly. That is why it didn't give the indicator the time to get to that level. But with that already, I know that is my confluence. I've got 2 confluences already. All right, I've got 2 confluences already. So if I was online, I would have actually taken the spike trades. So as you can see, currently price moved according to prediction and already is coming back down. So I would have to take profit anytime soon, because I know these guys are gonna push deep down soon. I'm probably wanting to break out from this zone if care is not taken.
Make sure to like and subscribe. This encourages us to make more helpful videos in the future.
Can we have 100 likes on this video if you know you're loving this video? All right, so now for the settings, guys, we have under the indicators, we've got the moving average here, period to be 5, shift to be 20. Make sure your shift is 20. Okay, the method is simple. Then you apply to close. All right, then under your levels, we have no level on moving average. And then your style, you want to put any style you want, just make sure you see it on the screen. All right, and then you click done. Then for the relative strength index, we have period to be 11, apply to weighted close, Levels to be 96, 97, 98, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's go here. 14, 15, 70, 30, 90, 29.19, 33.98, and then 32 point what 14. Then the color, you want to put any color you desire. Just make sure you see it right on the screen. All right, then for the moving average inside the relative strength index, you have period to be 14, shift to 10, method linear weighted, apply to close. All right, then you click done. Then for the zoom level, I remember somebody asked me in my previous video, what's the zoom level? The zoom level is let me see, I'll just take it out like this. So let's take it up 1, 2. So for the iPhone users, you're gonna take it up just twice. Okay, I think it might likely be different for the Android users. For the Android users, you might likely take it up just once or so, or 3 times or so. I just can't recall. It's quite been a long time since I used this app on an Android phone, because I know it was quite different. The Android phone takes it up 5 times, right? But for iPhone users, you can take it up. Now I've taken up twice. Let me take it 3 times. There's 3, there's 4, there's 5. Okay, so 5, 6, 7. You see, for the iPhone users, you can take it up as huge as 7 times. All right, but the Android users, I guess, is different. So just check out which one is in alignment with this exact shape of the candlestick on your own chart. All right, so guys, I hope you love this video. Leave a comment if you know you have a question, or if you know you love this video, you can just leave a good comment to say, hey Tim, thanks for this. It just gives me the courage to keep doing more. All right, and don't forget to hit the like button, join our Telegram community, link is in the description, and make sure to subscribe and join the upcoming boom and crash training. You don't want to miss it. For the main time traders, stay safe and keep winning.